Michael Weldon here, back again with another What's for Dinner recipe. Today is my pork and prawn pot sticker dumplings with a spicy dipping sauce. The first thing we need to do is make our filling. First of all, the white and light green part of some spring onions. And next I've got some coriander. What have I got? 5 or 6 sprigs. Now we're going to use the leaves later on when we make the dressing. But for now we just want the little crunchy coriander stems. Now we're going to slice our ginger nice and thin. Take out a few of our little matches of ginger, put them into a second bowl. That's the bowl for our dipping sauce. Then the rest of our ginger, we're going to chop the other way into nice fine little dice. Now we're going to go in with some garlic, some pork mince, and then we've got our prawns. I've just got the beautiful Aussie prawn tail meat you get at Coles, peeled for you already. And all we're going to do is roughly chop this. So I've got some sesame oil, white pepper, splash of soy sauce, little pinch of sea salt, pinch of sugar as well. Just mix this together to combine. All right, so I've got our little wonton wrappers here. Now this is the fun part, filling in the center, water on 2 of the edges, then fold together. And when you're folding, you want to push out all the air, then just pinch it together and fold it over. All right, so we've filled all of our dumplings. Now it's time to cook them. I'm just gonna spread the oil all over the bottom of that pan and then start filling it up with our dumpling. So while our dumplings fry, we're gonna make a really quick dipping sauce. In this bowl, I've got some green bits of spring onion and also that really finely sliced ginger from the start. Gonna add soy sauce, sesame oil, black vinegar, teaspoon of sugar, and tablespoon of whatever your favourite chilli oil is. Now if you have a look at that, you pick one up, you see that nice fried crispy base. That's exactly what we want to get our pot stickers to before we steam them. So we've fried them. Now the second part of the cooking is the steaming. So I'm going to pour over like a cup of water, then I'm going to chuck a lid on. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. I'm going to turn the heat off our dumplings. These are ready to plate up, ready for us to eat. Top that with our dipping sauce over the top, a little bit of coriander. That is my recipe of pork and prawn dumplings, cooked pot sticker style with a spicy dipping sauce. For this recipe and many other What's for Dinner recipes, check out the Coles website. Guys, this is What's for Dinner. Happy eating.